All right. Now, for the root beer wings, we have here about 10 pounds of chicken wings. We have some hot sauce, habanero hot sauce. We got some root beer, of course. We've got some SPG or seasoning. Here we've got some ketchup, or we call chup, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce. We got marmalade. We got garlic and onion powder. We've got ginger, some olive oil there. And we've got our swords. All right. Let's put this together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate these wings, all right? It might take a half hour or so, what time you have. We'll start out with some olive oil. You guys all done this before, right? And we're going to add some ginger. We're going to add a little bit of heat to this, if you know what I mean. And certainly a lot of flavor. So we're going to grate about maybe 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Simple enough. And then we're going to add some tart, right? So we got a lemon here, and we'll put the juice of 1 lemon in this marinade. Now, if you've never had root beer wings before, you definitely got to check it out. This is some good eating at the pit, and we've made a lot of wings before. Now, for this, you're also going to need some seasoning. We're using our SPG, all right? At least use some salt and pepper. And you want to mix it up. All right. Now, like I said, do this maybe a half hour before, maybe an hour, or less. Now, we're also going to need the barbecue sauce for this. So that's simple enough. We've got about 2 cups of chup there. And we're going to add about 2 cups of root beer. Of course, use your favorite root beer. There's some good ones out there, right? Now, this is the basis of the barbecue sauce, and you can tell right away we're going very sweet with this, right? Now, here we've got some brown sugar, more sweet. We've got some orange marmalade, more sweet. We've got some Worcestershire sauce to cut it down a bit. And here we've got some garlic powder and onion powder into the mix. And of course, if you're going real sweet, you need to cut it with some heat, all right? There's some background heat. We're using some habanero chipotle. It's a good heat. We've got about 2 tablespoons going in. And we're going to add a little bit more seasoning, all right? Maybe a teaspoon or so of our SPG, or more salt and pepper. All right, simple enough. You mix it up a little bit, and then we're going to heat it up to blend all the flavors. Oh man, it's going to be good. All right, simple enough. Bring it to simmer just a few minutes, and it'll thicken up for you real nice. All right, so now we're going to sword these wings. And as you probably can tell, these aren't ordinary skewers. We've had these custom made for us. Most of them on the market aren't worth a penny. So we've got these heavy duty ones that work really well. In fact, we might try to get some, all right? And maybe we'll let you know, right, in our shop online. So we've got maybe, like I said, about 10 pounds of wings, and we got right wings and left wings. Yeah, they're going to get along here. And if you do it this way, separate the righties from the lefties, you'll get a nice uniform cook over the fire. Right? So you just skewer them up like that. And whatever skewer you're using, all right, will determine how many wings you can get on. All right. The righties have been skewered. And we already got the lefties done. They're actually getting along here. That's interesting. All right. The wings have been skewered. Now we're going to bring them to the fire.
All right, here we go. Come on. Bring it over here.
And we're going to sear fairly quickly. We're using our Santa Maria. Makes it real easy, right? We can sear and then simply lift the grate to reduce temperatures. It's a grill with 1,000 different temperatures built in. You can just choose it by height, right? All right. Again, we're going to sear them first. In other words, we're going for a hot flame. All right. After a few minutes, not long, maybe 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, we're going to start hitting it with our sauce. Just like that. Did you hear that? Oh, that sounds good. In fact, let's have a moment of silence. Check this out. Now, of course, you could use that fast forward button to move on out of here, but you kind of liked it. All right, the wings have been soft. Again, we can adjust the temperature up or down, just a few cranks. A few more minutes have gone by. You keep sauce. And we're going with a medium heat here, right? We don't want to cook them too fast. That'll suck the moisture out of these wings, so take your time, be patient. You smell that? It smells good. And of course, if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel, right? You keep flipping, turning, saucing. Are you getting hungry or what? Now, we have dozens of chicken wing recipes on our website or here on the tube, Facebook. You check them out when you get a chance. We appreciate your support. And in a miracle of time, these wings are done. Take a look at that. Whew, Lord have mercy. Now, you can set these up any way you want, serve them the way you want. We like to do them right off the skewer like this, maybe with some salt, sea salt. We got some chili sauce there, got some lime. And, of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com.